现在我们已经知道了这些工作人员啦，那么我们来学学看今天主要的句子，这样子会帮助你更了解剧情哦。Attention please， 请注意。
Attention please.
The airplane is taking off. 飞机正在起飞。
The airplane is taking off.
The airplane is taking landing. 飞机正在降落。
The airplane is taking landing.
Fasten your seat belt. 请系好您的安全带。
Fasten your seat belt.
What would you like to drink? 你想要喝什么？
What would you like to drink?
现在就让我们来看一段有趣的短片。
I hope we can leave quickly. We have to get this ET to Alishan so he can meet his spaceship there.
Where is Alishan?
It's in the middle of Taiwan.
Alishan is in the middle of Taiwan? But this plane is flying to Chiayi Airport. Is Alishan at Chiayi Airport?
Alishan is close to Chiayi Airport.
Well, how will we get to Alishan?
We will take a taxi to the top of Alishan. ET's friends are there to pick him up.
Good morning, passengers. This is flight SA123 from Chiayi Airport. Please prepare for takeoff and fasten your seatbelts.
I hope ET doesn't make too much noise.
Me too.
We will be serving drinks now. We offer cold, coffee, and tea. What would you like to drink?
I would like a Coke.
Here you are. What would you like to drink?
I want a Coke too.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What do you think ETs like to drink?
I don't know. Let's ask him. What would you like to drink?
Miss, excuse me.
Yes. Would you like something else?
Yes, we're still thirsty.
Oh, what would you like to drink?
We'd like a glass of na.
Excuse me? What would you like to drink?
We'd like a glass of na.
I'm sorry, we don't have that drink. Please fasten your seatbelt.
We're landing at Chiayi. I hope we can meet ET's spaceship on time.
We have to say goodbye now. Have a nice trip to Mars.
Uh-oh, we can't get out. The door's closed.
Oh no, we have to go to Mars.
We are taking off. Fasten your seat belt.
How far away is Mars from here?
Oh, it's very, very far.
I'm thirsty.
Me too.
What would you like to drink? Here you are.
We're thirsty, E.T. Can you get us something to drink? I'd like Coke.
Miss, may I have something to drink?
What would you like to drink?
I'd like 2 Cokes, please.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like 2 Cokes.
I'm sorry, we don't have Cokes. We just have na na na.